Hi everybody, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I'm here with a vlog style unboxing of my FabFitFun box. First, I do want to say they did change the size of the box depending on what you got in here, but this one is kind of like weird because only the top section is full and the rest of it is all confetti. So anyway, the stuff that I got was very high value, some of it. So, and that's not why I picked it, not because of the value, because sometimes lower cost things are also really fabulous, but I had picked out 4 items as add-ons. One of them was a 2 sponge set of sponge gels that I ordered for my daughter because she loves them. And I also ordered myself a pack in a different scent. And I ordered a set of coasters and a mirror for my husband to have downstairs. We didn't get the mirror yet. That's coming on the 29th. The coasters were also a drop ship item, so we're not getting them until I don't know when. There's been no update. I've been charged for it, but no update. And I'm not getting my sponge gels. So yeah, they said it was sold out, but you know, you shouldn't be able to pick it on your add-ons unless it's available. So I picked it on my add-ons, and I ended up, I guess, being one of the last ones to pick it, and was told it wasn't available. That has never happened to me with FabFitFun. I don't care, like eventually the other stuff will show up, but I was really upset that my sponge gels were sold out, and they just, you know, didn't do anything for me. I did call because I wanted to know where everything was, and they did give me a $10 credit toward my next add-on sale. So anyway, this is the summer box, and it's a really pretty box. Here is the magazine that comes with it. It's very thick this month, so yeah, there are actually real like articles in here this time. Including when you're a member, you get to go to the FabFitFun TV and do workouts, and I guess she's one of the workout people. So anyway, that will refer back to. Then these are always in there. It's like 50% off Green Chef. It's just a different chef. $90 off. Now, if anybody gives you $90 off something, you know right away, dang, that's too expensive. There's also a Discover wine thing. You know, I don't drink, so these don't apply to me, and I'm not going to buy a food service that I can't afford. So anyway, these are the items in my box, and I did pick 4 of these items, and the rest were picked by FabFitFun. Everything is in this top layer. So why did we need this big, thick box? This box is about 5 inches deep, and unless there's some surprise under there, I don't know what's going on here. I normally get things like water bottles, blankets, stuff like that. They did say that they were going to shrink the size of the boxes. So anyway, the total value of my box said somewhere around $300. So here are the things I could have picked from. Okay, so for group number 1, I was really tempted by that and tempted by that, but I ended up getting the Dr. Brandt Dna. And that is $82, and that is right here. It's a little tube, but it's $82 for heaven's sake. It's half an ounce. It is triple peptide eye cream. Normally I wouldn't buy this, but it was available as a choice, and I figured let me just give this a chance and try it and enjoy it. So I did pick that item. All right, the next choice was a crazy key necklace, a cooler bag, sunscreen, which I have plenty of, shampoo, which is really nice because it's R&Co and it's $64 for the shampoo and conditioner. But I ended up picking this Hydra Peptide Moisture Reset Face Oil. Not because it was $120. Wow. But because I like face oils. So, this is that. Let's see if I can not wreck my nails. I love that I'm starting to see expiration dates on things now. This expires 11/22. Good. The expiration's on the bottom of the bottle also. And this is Moisture Reset. So I'm actually looking really forward to trying this. I've heard good things about this brand. And I'm really, really interested in trying this. Now for this one, I could have chosen any one of these things. Now I already have that. This is choice number... These are different, separate choice numbers. I really was tempted by that. Like, really, really tempted by that vase. But all I could think is, where am I going to put it? I have so much clutter. So I ended up getting the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. It's not a huge size. And I already have one of these. This is... Oh, actually, it's just a small jar. Like, the jar is smaller. Which I appreciate, not having excessive packaging. But anyway, this is 1.7 ounces, which is the standard for, there's nothing under there, for a face cream. Okay, next thing, whoa, this was, there's one more thing that I did choose. This Grace and Stella is, oh, I didn't tell you how much, I did tell you. Kate Somerville, $65. Can you tell I worked really hard all day today? And it's nighttime and I'm exhausted. So anyway, I did choose this Grace and Stella, and what was put in my box by FabFitFun, they reserve the right to pick all the rest of your stuff. This stuff I'm interested in. This is an eyebrow pencil, like that. And these two items. So I'm going to go over both of those. The first one is the Grace and Stella that I did pick. And this is Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. It's fully enrobed in plastic. Let's see if there's an expiration date. I don't see one on the outside of this package, but let's see. Well, it's cruelty free, by the way. It looks like 12 months, like the jar with 12 in it. So anyway, this is hyaluronic acid serum. So I have to figure out where in my skincare I'm going to put this. Anybody have any ideas for that? I am the person with tons of serum. The next thing is this Callie Cosmetics foot cream. It's 2.5 ounces, very nice size. It goes for $24. This I really do want to try. Like, I'm excited to try. Then the other thing that was added by FabFitFun is this coconut verbena hand cream. Now, I've heard this is very strong scent, but if it works, I will be happy because I have a lot of hand creams that are just not doing it for me. This is how many ounces? 2 ounces, and it goes for $18. This is actually very nice. It's made by the company Spongel. So I imagine it probably smells just like one of their Spongels with the coconut verbena scent. Very interested to try that. Although I have a lot of hand lotion open. Next thing that was chosen for me by FabFitFun is this eyebrow pencil. This is not going to be one of those try-on unboxings. There are plenty of those. But anyway, this looks like a very nice pencil. I have read that it's universal. So it looks good on people with light hair and people with dark hair. So I really do like a good eyebrow pencil. And finally, the last thing that I picked was this Terra Mare Aloe and Tea Tree. Pull that out. And tea tree toner. Reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and sloughs away dead skin cells. Yeah, sure it does. Because people will believe anything. Might be easier to open the bottom. Yes, it is. Okay, so inside the box, it's wrapped 85 different ways to Sunday. So anyway, this is glass. I appreciate that it's glass, but I don't know if my recycling people will take this color glass, because a lot of times they're like, you know, brown glass, green glass, clear glass. But this is glass. I do prefer my skincare to be in glass because, I don't know, plastic is frighteningly, you know, bad for you. So anyway, I am interested in this. However, I'm currently trying out all of my Korean sun scare. I keep saying that. I am currently trying out all of my Korean sun care, and oh God, I said it again. Let's see if I can wake up enough to finish the sentence properly. I am in the middle of trying all of my Korean skincare that I got for Mother's Day. Now, just to be thorough, I'm gonna look under here and see if there's anything else. No, so they could have actually sent this stuff in a much smaller box. And I'm surprised they did not. There's nothing else in there. So everything was laying on the top, and I think that's kind of irresponsible of them to send me this giant box with all the stuff just laying in the top. So I am very happy with this box, I guess. It's not as much fun as a lot of the boxes that you usually get from FabFitFun. This is not a great representation, I don't think, of the types of products they have. This box, I'll put for sure what the total that they say it's worth is down below, right down here, right down there. And I'll tell you how much they say my box is worth. Now, they gauge the price of your box based on what you chose and what you got. So I know already that it's going to be high because I got the Hydra Peptide oil, which that's a very famous brand you can buy at Derm Store. That's $120, just that. And this is like this is like $50. That's like, I mean, everything is very high price, so I just wish they reduced the packaging a little bit more. This appears to be one of their smaller boxes. They did say they were going to be decreasing the box size on everything. But anyway, it looks like my battery is going to run out, so I'm going to stop the chatter, and thank you very much for watching. This is not a perfect representation of what these boxes usually are. Usually there's some kind of clothing or something in there, but anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up actually helps me a lot. Thank you very much, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.